How to create Canva presentation. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create Canva presentation. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you'll need to open up Canva. So open up your Canva. You can head to its website. And after you do that, here you'll find the presentation option. Tap on presentation. And after you do that, Canva will redirect you to another page. So you will see your presentation's canvas right here. And after you're here, you can simply select templates if you want. So let me just cross that out. You can tap on the designs option and you'll find templates. You can find layouts, you can find styles and many more. So what you can do is if you find a good template, you can simply choose that from here. So let's say that I want a project brief presentation. So I'll just select the project brief template from here. And from here, you can apply whichever slides that you want. You can add them one by one by pressing on the plus sign here. You can see the plus sign, tap on it to add it, or you can tap on apply all pages. After you do that, all of the pages will get added in your slides and you can start making edits to it. So you can start changing text in here. You can see this options available on the top. You can change the font, the size, the colors and everything from here like you do in your PowerPoint presentation. And you can move all of this as well as such. And if you don't like something, you can simply delete it by simply pressing on the item and then tapping on the delete button. Here you'll find the delete option, tap on it. You can delete the image or you can delete the grid. I'll just delete the image completely and you can add a different image here. And you can do that for each and every slides here. And if you want, you can also add more slides. So here you can see if you want more of the overview here. Let me just go and find the overview. There we go. If you want more, you can select the overview option from here and add it. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.